Hi guys, welcome back to a new video. It's me, Anushka. So today we're going to be doing a makeup tutorial on this look here, which would be perfect for any Indian wedding. But before we jump to that, I'm going to be giving away all these 4 palettes by Revolution. So yeah, make sure to check out the info box for all the details. And yeah, let's get on to it then. So I'm going to just sort this hair out because it wasn't looking cute. I got this headband from Yes Style. It was gifted, but I definitely recommend their stuff if you want some cool Korean beauty stuff. I do have a coupon code, so again I'll leave that in the info box. We're now going to use the L'Oreal More Than Concealer in the shade Toffee, and we're going to put this on our lids, and I'm also using that concealer to carve out my brows. Now, am I the only one that finds this bit so satisfying, or do you guys love it too? Because this is like the foundation application part. Look at that. Just shape that eyebrow. I've already done my eyebrows off camera, but to be honest I didn't do much. I just used the lime crime bushy brow thing and just did a few strokes through them, and literally that's it. I'm using a brush to kind of buff that concealer on my lid. This is going to be kind of like our base. So we're going to use this Maxi Reloaded palette by Revolution, and we are using the brand that was pointed to. I literally sat there and just blended and blended and blended. Literally just blend away, blend, okay? The next shade we're going to use is this shimmery gold kind of color. It's super light, but I thought I wanted something quite light on the inner corner to really open the eye up, and I brought that brown quite up high on the outer corner, but I just wanted to look intense but really softened out and rounded. It was a bit hard, but I think I got there in the end. And then I'm using this black, almost like glittery shade. It's got some specks of silver glitter, I guess, and I'm using this as a smoky liner. And no, I didn't do a wing or anything, I just smoked out my line a bit. And then what did I do next? I'm using the Larella lashes. I don't know what this is. I think this is Goddess, but I'll check the info box. I might be wrong, but anyways, I'm applying those. I did put some Maybelline Lash Sensational before that. It kind of helps for the lashes to stick to the falsies. Now we're going to use some foundation. This is the Too Faced Born This Way foundation in caramel. I think I need to buy a new bottle of this because it's almost run out, and I think mine's off. I do think so, but anyways, it's really beautiful. I think I might get it again. So yeah, I'm just buffing this out. Again, the makeup brush is from Yes Style. So yeah, it was really soft, and it has a little hole for you to squirt the foundation in. Then for concealer, I'm going to use the Kevyn Aucoin Essential Skin Enhancing SX11, and literally you only need this tiniest amount, and I'm using my finger just to blend that out under my eyes. Take your time with it. I also did a little bit on the bridge of my nose as well, but this concealer is flawless. I quickly brushed that off, and then we're now going to use some bronzer from the Revolution 4K bronzer palette in Warm, and this is the shade I'm going to be using, and I'm using my MAC 135 brush to blend that out just on my cheeks, my forehead, my nose a bit, just to add a bit of colour. Then for blush, I'm using this sleek highlighting palette in Love Shook, and I'm grabbing the almost dark rose shade, and I'm lightly sweeping this on the apples of my cheeks. I'm also touching up the eyeshadow a bit since we did apply the concealer. I did really want it to blend out and look really effortless. And then for highlight, I'm using the Fenty Beauty Mean Money Hustle Baby highlight. I just mix the two and put those on the highest points of my cheeks. And then for lip, I'm using this Lime Crime liquid lipstick. I don't know what the shade is, but I'll write it in the info box, but I thought red would go with this since the sari did have a bit of red in it. I put a bit of my Maybelline Lash Sensational mascara on my lower lashes as well, along with some of the Buxom eyeliner in brown. It's just like a coal eyeliner, and it's super creamy, so it just glided on my waterline. The jewelry is from Southall. My mum got this whole set for like £10, which is insane. Like, it's really nice, and I like how like the ticker as well is really big. And then the sari, of course, is from Sarah. I did post a photo on Instagram, so make sure to follow me on there and show some love. Their clothing is so nice. But anyways, thank you so much for watching. Love you guys, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.